Greetings and welcome back. This time we have something that involves sound and music. A small Bluetooth speaker constructed from scratch using the ZK1002M audio module and 3D printed components. Based on the TPA3116D2 analog input class D audio amplifier IC, the ZK1002M Bluetooth audio module powers this Bluetooth speaker. Fusion 360 was used to model and 3D print the entire design. The speaker was positioned so that it faced downward. The down-firing speaker smashes the sound against the floor, which then bounces back up to the listening area and improves the sound in comparison to normal speaker. This video is about how the speaker was built and how you can build it in few easy steps. So let's get started with the build. Popular audio amplifier like the ZK1000M features a D3116D2 power amplifying IC, an aux USB input, an inbuilt Bluetooth reception IC, and a volume knob. A kit containing the entire setup is included, and it contains the amplifier board itself, 4 PCB standoff and 6 standoff bolts, a DC barrel jack adapter, a plastic knob, a PCB cover, and a tiny screwdriver. The star or heart of this audio amplifier module is the TPA3116D2 power amplifying IC, which is popular integrated IC designed for use in audio amplifier application. It is manufactured by Texas Instruments and it is widely used in variety of audio amplification system, including consumer electronics and DIY audio projects. When using the TPA3116D2 in specific application, it is important to refer to the manufacturer datasheet and application note. All those details can be found on this project page, which you can check out. Link is in video description. As for sourcing this audio module, I got this kit from PCBWay's gift shop. The PCBWay gift shop is an online marketplace where you can get variety of electronics module and boards for their genuine price. Or you could use PCBWay currency, which is also called beans. You get beans after ordering something from PCBWay as reward points, or you can get them by posting any project in the PCBWay community. You can check out PCBWay if you want great PCB service for low cost. In order to create this design for the body, we created a model for the ZK1002M module. We measure it and create a nearly flawless model in Fusion 360. The entire configuration is distinctive in look due to the ZKM1002M module's placement on the top of the body. This will also allow the power amplifier's chip heatsink to get airflow. The body is created in the shape of a diamond and then it is further separated into two parts. The main part, which holds the battery and the audio module in place, and the speaker mount. The whole setup was then exported and 3D printed using white and yellow PLA. We are using a trio of 18650 lithium cells connected in series with a BMS to create a 12V 2.9Ah lithium ion battery pack for this project. I made this battery pack myself, but you can find identical pack online. Just make sure they have right charge and discharge protection and the voltage should be around 12V. By following the provided wiring diagram, we begin the basic setup. First, the positive and negative terminal of the battery pack were soldered to the positive and negative terminal of the DC jack, as this module lacks an input terminal connector. Next, we combined the left positive and negative terminal of the speaker with its positive and negative terminals. The wiring is complete. The Bluetooth speaker configuration is then turned on using the toggle switch that is provided on the audio module. The sound quality is then tested by pairing our phone or computer with this device. At this point, the speaker sound will be flat and dull because it lacks proper enclosure to increase the sound quality. The speaker is then placed within the speaker holder and 4 M2 screws are then used to secure it in its place. We keep the battery inside the base assembly and then add the audio module outside of it. Next, we attach positive and negative terminal of the speaker to the audio amplifier. The audio amplifier is then mounted using the provided 4 M2 screws and PCB standoff. The audio module with the 3D printed base is mounted using 4 screws and then 4 PCB standoff from all 4 sides. The top cover PCB that comes with the audio amplifier kit is then added after the audio amplifier is fixed into its position. Finally, we add knob in its place to complete the base assembly. The final phase of this assembly is to permanently fasten the speaker holder assembly and the base assembly together. To do this, we slide the speaker holder into the base holder and use 4 M2 screws. Each edge was secured with 4 M2 screws. The speaker is now ready. The end result of this straightforward build is a portable Bluetooth speaker that is different from standard speaker in terms of both construction and design. The sound quality was only passable during our testing of the speaker using a smartphone and few songs.
Bluetooth mode.
The 12V 2.9 Ah battery pack in the speaker allow for continuous playback for up to 12 to 13 hours, which is quite practical. If you wish to construct this speaker yourself, I've included all the necessary file in this project page. That is it for today, guys. A big thanks to PCBWay for supporting this project. Check them out if you need any low-cost services related to PCB and PCB assembly, 3D printing or even CNC services. Thanks again, and I'll be back with a new project pretty soon. Peace out.